Meat pie is one of my favorite snacks. Let me show you how I make mine at the comfort of my home. Start by cracking in 2 eggs in a clean bowl. Then I add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix to combine very well. Then go in with a cold milk or cold water depending on any one you want to use, but I'm using cold milk here. And I will mix to combine. Then I will go in with my 2 cups of all-purpose flour already saved, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and some pinch of salt. Now move in with your finger and continue to mix until you form a perfect and clean dough. Please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's be a family. Thank you. Now transfer the dough on a work surface and add some butter and knead for 2 minutes to activate the gluten. Please do not forget to check the description box for all the details and information. After kneading to achieve a very smooth dough, wrap with a very clean firm nylon and place in the fridge for 30 minutes while I prepare for the fillings. For the fillings, I'll start by peeling off the back of the carrots and chop them into smaller sizes. Same with the ginger and the garlic. Then for my protein, I'll be making use of chicken legs. I'll wash with salt and cook to soft. Then I will debone all the chickens to get out only the flesh. Then in a clean pan, I will go in with my vegetable oil and fry the chicken until it's crispy. Next, I add in the diced carrots, ginger and garlic. Stir to combine very well. Then I add in a little salt and some spices. Add in the stock water and cover to cook for a minute. A minute later, stir it and take it down from heat if it contains no other water. If yours has a lot of water, you're going to mix a cornstarch with water and add it to thicken it. Spread on a flat plate to cool down. 30 minutes later, unwrap the dough, sprinkle some flour on the work surface and cut into smaller sizes. Gently roll out the dough, get any circle shape in your kitchen and cut out a circle shape from the dough. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the fillings, touch some water at the tips of the dough, cover and press down to seal very well. Also use a fork and seal the tips very well. Dress with egg yolk mixed with water to give it an appetizing look after the baking. Spread some pumpkins on top. Bake in a preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And your delicious meat pie is ready. Tell me, will you be trying this my recipe, or do you have a simpler way of you making your recipe? You can share with us in the comment section. And please do not forget to like and share my videos and subscribe to my channels before you say goodbye. I will see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.